Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. I know what you're thinking. Baz, not another bad backstory. As it happens, it isn't. I just want to tell you a bit about this firm, Medica Relax, Fujiiryoki. They gave me this chair to test, and it retail price I think is £8,850. Now, it's a big investment in somebody who sells cars for a living and road test cars and has a YouTube channel testing cars. And you would have thought that they would have wanted me to say certain things about it and, perhaps prompted me. But they don't. I kept asking them what they would like me to concentrate on. And I get the feeling that they just want me to test it. They don't want to tell me what to do. They just want me to test it and tell you in my own words. So they must have so much confidence in this product to send it me out of the blue, really, and leave me to my own devices. I mean, the other thing, I'm a car salesman. People don't have a very high opinion of us. Would I do what I said I'd do? Would I be positive about it? But the thing is, I am positive about it because there's nothing not to be positive about. It just caters for everything. Sometimes, getting onto the bad backstory, sometimes my back is so painful that I don't want anything touching it as such. This has very powerful motors and kind of a very powerful kneading motion, and it really is like somebody digging the thumbs in. I mean, that's you can set it from high to low. At the very lowest, it's just really pleasant. The highest, it's really stretching your muscles. But sometimes you don't even want anything pressing your muscles. So this is what I do. And sometimes if I'm just watching TV or whatever, and I don't particularly want to exercise, especially if my back's sore, I don't want to do any exercises, but I can watch TV, so we'll just get the seat. I've switched it on. Just move that back a bit. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. And you've got here 30-minute Pro whole body. So 30-minute Pro, air relax. Now watch this. Click on air relax. Now I'm going to put I better take that off because now I need to move my feet further away. Let's get that further away. Now it's just measuring me. And this is just air. This is just like, it's like you stretching but not doing anything. And the other thing I must do, switch the heater on. So that's it, that's the heater on there. So that heats me back. You can actually take these two pads out if it's cold and put the two pads over your front. It'll look a bit like a waistcoat. So there we go. I can also turn the air strength up. It's only on 2 on my hands at the moment. 3 everywhere else. And it's just, get my feet firmly in there. You've got 30 minutes of sitting in a very, very comfortable chair. So it's just done my hands. Now it's doing the back of my thighs, squeezing in on my hips. Usually when it holds you in place, it like so. That's squeezing me quite tight. Usually when it does that, that's it. Airbags are going off underneath my bottom. So that's pushing me up, bending my back. And it can do so many things at the same time that one person can't do. So if there's one person massaging you, they couldn't get the range of movements that this chair does. Grabbing my shoulders, airbags had come up underneath my back. But as I was saying before, you know, I mean, normally when you deal with firms, they want the last ounce out of you. If they're going to give you something, they want something back. But genuinely, this firm have sent me this chair and couldn't be more relaxed about what I'm doing with it. In fact, so much, perhaps it's, I don't know, perhaps it's psychological, perhaps by leaving me alone, they want me to do more. And I really want to, not only because I like the firm, I like the people, I like the young lady that I've been dealing with. I follow Medica Relax on Facebook, and she keeps sending out information on what these chairs actually do. And by improving your blood circulation and so on, I mean, I can tell you now they lower your blood pressure. When I first got this one, I was wearing a blood pressure monitor just to check, and it came way down. It came down so much that you know, I was just like, it's almost like well, it's better than medicine, tablets, whatever, and it feels a whole lot better too. So again, it's now squeezing the palms of my hand. This is the bit that really helps me, because the airbag under my left buttock is inflating, and this one on my right hip is. So it's turning me like so. That's the bit. If you could draw a line through here, through the centre of my stomach and through my side to my spine, that's where mine goes, you know, goes stiff and very, very painful to move. And this, it's absolutely ideal, because you can set it to a point on your body virtually, and the more you use it, the more things you find. I've been using it every day for months now, and I'm still finding stuff. It's just absolutely incredible. For instance, let's just stop that. You see, you've got quick massage there, manual mode, waist relax. Now that's just at the bottom of my back. Sit deep into the seat. Well, I'm already sat deep into the seat. And again,